Hello, John Talley here with Boats.net. One of the most critical bits of information that you need to have tucked away somewhere safe is the year, make, and model, and possibly the serial number for your particular outboard. Because without that information, you're just going to be shooting in the dark. What I'm going to do right now is just show you where that information is located on our little Mercury 40 horsepower. It's pretty simple to find. Zoom in, let me point it out. That way you can either take a picture of it and or write down the information and then put it away safe for when you do need it. On our Mercury 40 horsepower 4-stroke, it is located on the transom assembly right here. Now it's important to go ahead and take a picture of this information and or write it down and tuck it away somewhere safe, because over time as the machine gets older, gets knocked around, you may not be able to read that information when you really need it. Alright guys, here is all the information that pertains to this particular unit. One of the most important numbers is the unique serial number at the top. That is going to drill down and give you the exact parts that were used when they built this motor at Mercury. Next down is going to be the year and then the actual model number. Down below that, they even go into the max RPMs that you're supposed to turn, the power, both in horsepower and in kilowatts, and then how much it weighs in pounds and kilograms. So there's a lot of information on this one little plate that you need to put away safe, because you will end up referencing this eventually. Now the way you would use this information on our site to look up your particular parts is to go to Mercury, and then go to horsepower, and then you're going to look at the serial number range, and that's going to get you into the correct category that's going to open up all the parts that are available for this particular outboard. Well listen, if you have any questions or comments, why don't you leave them in the section below and we'll do our best to answer them. And hey, you like what you see? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you can keep up with whatever I'm working on or talking about next. We just want to say thank you for shopping here with us at Boats.net, and we will see you in the next video. Y'all have a great day.